Yeah, so that is a new part of the pier. So they burnt down a couple of years ago. So if that's open already, I don't know. But so when it, when I get hold of it, I know.
No, and then put another structure up there instead of
Yeah.
I totally agree with you. Yeah.
Off the sea, yeah, sea what's it called, yeah. Sea breezes. Oh well, still says work though, still carries on. It's breezy in the old era, was it? Yeah. There's it curling again. Done what? Oh right. And when did he know when you're not doing it? Just a thanks, ma'am. Just a thanks, ma'am.
Oh yeah, if anybody's lost a little boat off the Titanic, at Southend Sea. So if you've lost that boat, there it is. So if you want to do a mutiny on the Titanic, just take that boat there. Just sail the Titanic up the Thames.
Yeah. Car. Southend Pier. No, it's it. I know. Yeah, brown, dark red, yeah, browny red. Yeah. Who did double bolt it, you know, whatever, you know. Yeah. He's picking up a bit of speed now. We're not going to get off the pier this way. Stop the world, I want to get off. Yeah. Leaving Southend station.
She's pushed me over there.
Don't worry, baby, sit down there.
Oh, God, does he want to come up here? Come on. Oh, God, it's
going to be hard to jump up.
Come on then. Oh. I'm giving up. I'll tell you.
I know. That's sugar. Poor old girl.
Come on over there. Come on, look. Oh, he's a funny one, isn't he? He don't like nothing. There you go.
That's it. There you go. It can't be. People put their feet up on the steps. I can't see no problem with a dog being there.
There you go. What do you think?
Yeah.
No, I ain't gonna do that. Get out of it.
I'm gonna do what?
He wants me to. Yeah, he wants me to. I'll put my hand down there.
Poor little thing. And he has a little thing.
Something cool in there, yeah. Just gonna come right there.
Whiskey station? Yeah.
Yeah.
The next station is Chalkwell.
Oh.
Welcome aboard the C2C rail service to
So what was that? It says Chalkwell, amazing.
Who's that one?
That's
I
so
know.
quick. Only 30-second stops now, Al.
I know.
Amazing.
We'll get in time, innit?
Yeah.
Ping pong.
now approaching Chalkwell.
Yeah, no tide today. Well, no tide till later today.
Do you want to see where the cats were?
Mm.
If you see this little ship, there's a ship round here where the cats used to stay.
Mm.
Called the Ben Bridge, but it's gone now. I don't know, is it round here?
It was round here, wasn't it?
Yeah. There's a little restaurant, that's it, that one.
Yeah.
That's not the Ben Bridge, that's another.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Any passengers requiring mainline services via Basildon and Langdon,
Get off here.
please change here at Benfleet and catch the following service. On leaving Benfleet, this train will be calling at Pitsea, Stanford Hope, East Tilbury, Tilbury Town, Grays, Chafford 100, Ockenden, Upminster, Barking, West Ham, Lighthouse and London Finchurch Street.
It's got a flag on that as well.
Yeah, I've got it, yeah. On 23 time zone.
The next station is Pitsea. Welcome aboard the C2C rail service to Fenchurch Street.